Hi guys, this is Chinky Minky. Welcome back to our channel. So we are extremely pumped for this video because it has been a while since we tried something here on this channel. And what we are about to try today might be something even you guys can opt for if you are facing the same problems as we are. So as you all know, we shoot a lot and our hair is often exposed to a lot of styling tools. It can be hair straightener, dryer, curler, everything. And doing this almost every other day has made out our hair really dry and dull and brittle and frizzy too, you know. Yeah, and prone to breakage. Yes, so the other day we were at the salon and we asked our hairstylist if she has any recommendations, and she told us to try the L'Oreal Professional Series Expert Absolute Repair range. More importantly, the Absolute Repair mask infused with gold quinoa and protein. But we haven't tried it yet because we thought let's do it on the camera in front of you guys so you can see the real results. So guys, as you can see, we have shampooed our hair with this Absolute Repair shampoo, and I seriously can't believe my hair feels so good already. In fact, my hair feels amazing and manageable. What do you guys think? I completely agree to it because it does not feel completely dried out, which I love because shampoos tend to dry and strip off all the natural oils. It feels very soft already, and I already am excited about this mask now. Let's get to it then. So here is the Absolute Repair mask. So before we apply this, our hairstylist told us that we should apply this on damp hair and not to take too much product because it is a very potent formula and that will spread very easily. Alright, thanks for the heads up. So opening this right off the bat, the mask smells heavenly. See? Oh yeah, you're right. The formula is very buttery and it's very creamy. That's true. The texture is really buttery and creamy. You can see that. So guys, let's section our hair first so we get an even application. We are going to start applying from the mid-length to the end of our hair. We are going to keep this for 3 to 5 minutes and let it work its magic and show you guys the final results. So here it is, the final result, you guys. We washed the mask and left it to air dry because we want you to see how it performs on its own, and my god, this is so amazing and the mask has exceeded all my expectations. Actually, you're right. My hair feels really soft and smooth, and it is detangled and not a mess at all. And it's so soft, don't you think so? Yeah, of course it is. And I cannot stop running my hands all through my hair. I know, right? And the results are instant, like it is there in your face, loud and crystal clear. I now understand why my hairdresser said, why condition when you can mask? So I think I can safely say we both are seriously very happy with this mask because we were both looking for something that would deeply condition our hair without making it a mess. So I don't think I'm gonna stop using this mask anytime soon. No. What do you think? Yeah. Oh wait, the serum is still remaining. I mean, the shampoo and mask alone were this good. I can already feel that the serum would be amazing even before applying. So here it is, the Absolute Repair Serum. It has a very cute packaging, and let's take a couple of pumps now. This is how it looks, and I'm going to spread it through the lengths and ends of my hair. So there it is, you guys, the final look after using the Absolute Repair series. We're going to cue in a couple before and after shots now. I am honestly so content with how this has turned out. My hair feels flawless and on fleek. I know, right? I wish I could just do a hair flip now. Do it right now. Whoa! It's so good. So before she goes crazy with her new hair and her hair flips, let's end it nicely. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video like we did. And guys, we will link the products in the description box below. So the Absolute Repair shampoo costs ₹665 and the mask is for 820 rupees, and the serum, which is right here, is only ₹590. Make sure you check it out and let us know what are your thoughts on L'Oreal Professional Series Expert Absolute Repair range. If there is anything else you want us to try or review next, let us know in the comments below. So this is it for the video. We hope you guys like watching it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. This is Chinky Minky signing off.